everyone, my name is Shquita and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about fall decor. I have this sidebar right here that I picked up from Living Spaces. I'll normally put like appetizers or something there when like I'm hosting a party, but right now since it's like fall, I figured I would go ahead and decorate it. Alright guys, so we are at Hobby Lobby and we're going to see what we have here for the fall. Woo! Alright, so this is a little throw that I picked up from Ikea, and I just went ahead and just laid it down here just to give it more of a decorative appeal. If you want to give height to any of your decorations, I suggest using a cake plate. You can use a glass one, you can use a ceramic one, you can use a round one, a square one, any one that you think would go with your decor. So I went ahead and just chose this one, and I took a black ribbon and just went ahead and tied it around right here just to give it a little extra something. So if you guys, I just made this. This is the lantern that I picked up from Ikea, and I just went ahead, I had a few extra pumpkins, so I put some sewing string through the hole right here, and then I used some double-sided tape to just stick it up here on the inside. And then here's your hanging pumpkins. I'm supposed to have a light here, but I forgot to pick up batteries, so my electric lights aren't working, so I can't really show you guys. But I just thought this was like just super, super cute and super easy to make. And even for Halloween, you could put like skeleton in here hanging or something like that. That would be a good little DIY 5-minute project, especially with the double-sided tape. I'm just gonna go ahead and add this thankful sign that I went ahead and picked up from Hobby Lobby. So I picked this up from Michael's, and I went ahead and just made like a little pumpkin bouquet, which I think is super adorable. I picked up these little pumpkins from Hobby Lobby, and I picked up a bouquet of flowers, and I actually pulled them apart and just made like my own little bouquet and then stuck them in this little can right here. And I just think this is just like super, super, super cute. And you can go ahead and add a ribbon around if you wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't wanna clutter everything, because I'm just adding like a little sprinkle of fall in here because my holiday is Christmas, so I'll be like crazily decorating for Christmas. And then this piece right here I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It's another like little lantern. Pick the candle there. This little door. These little pumpkins that I have from Target here, and we're just gonna pop these. And voila, there you go. So this is my fall decor. This is everything that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, Ikea, and Target, and Michael's the can. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know you guys liked it. And please let me know if you like this little DIY lantern. That is all for me today, guys. Thank you for joining me, and have a great day, evening, morning, whatever it may be. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Want to have it back, Russ? Can I have it back? And voila, there you go. Is that yours, Roscoe? Let me have it.